also very nice today on the 26th of April 2025, and we have Stora torget like you see here in Mjölby, Östergötland, County, Sweden. Capacity is 4.25 grams. It was built in the beginning of spring 1989 by Carter. Yeah, it's interesting. The Chevy pictures and for floors, and the number is 368053. But unfortunately, it was a mistake. It's a D or B that was better more specific.
D, I think.
Yeah, here's E, and there's no basement floor.
Yeah.
Shopper probably. Has a chef stop button there also.
Yeah.
First elevator in Mjölby today.
Yeah.
I like that sound, so smell here.
Same.
It's a dentist on the front way. But it's also open in the weekend.
Yeah. Inspected by Decker and maintained by modernized Hiss.
There is an overload indicator also.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's everything. I don't know what you want to do.
That's